Hey, I've really enjoyed spending time with you lately. You're amazing.
Oh, thank you. I've had a great time too. You're pretty amazing yourself.
I have to be honest, something has changed for me. I've developed feelings for you and I can't ignore them anymore.
Oh, really? I didn't see that coming. I've been feeling a connection between us too, but I wasn't sure if it was just me.
No, it's not just you. I genuinely like you. I find myself thinking about you all the time.
That's really sweet to hear. I enjoy our time together too, and I feel a special bond between us.
So I was wondering if you'd like to go out with me. Maybe we could have dinner or catch a movie together.
I'd love to go out with you. That sounds like a wonderful idea. I'd enjoy spending more time getting to know you on a deeper level.
That's fantastic. How about this Friday evening? We could try that new Italian restaurant in town.
Friday evening sounds perfect. I've heard great things about that restaurant. I'm excited to go with you.
Great, I'll make a reservation for us. I can't wait for Friday to come. I'm really looking forward to our date.
Me too. It's going to be a special evening. Thank you for asking me out and for being so open about your feelings.
Thank you for saying yes. I'm glad we're on the same page. I'll pick you up at 7 p.m. on Friday. See you then.
Sounds good. I'll be ready. See you on Friday. I'm looking forward to it.